Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please considering subscribing to my channel. Also, welcome to my special Christmas series where I'm talking about everything Christmas and New Year's. So it's the holiday season you guys, and I'll be sharing some amazing videos with you all from 21st of December to the 31st of December. So if you haven't watched this series already, do watch it right now. I would leave a link for it in the description box below, and I'm sure you're gonna love it because I'm sharing some delicious recipes, some nice DIYs and some goal setting inspirational videos for 2020. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss the daily videos that I am uploading on my channel, and you also get notified every time I upload a new video here. And today I'm here to share with you another very merry recipe, and that is the Eggless Choco Chip Cookies recipe. Yes guys, Choco Chip Cookies is loved by one and all. Almost everyone absolutely loves it, and especially the kids, they can't just stop at just one cookie. So this is the perfect Christmas recipe. You should definitely give this one a shot if you are a sweet tooth person, or if at all you are a cookie fan, and I'm sure you're gonna love this one. These cookies are so simple to prepare at home, and they get prepared really quickly, so you might not want to miss on this one. Check out this recipe to know the exact step-by-step process of preparing these cookies, and also I'll be sharing with you my secret tips and tricks for preparing this cookie. So do watch this video till the end. So this one is a super hit recipe that you should not miss out, and you should definitely try this. It is also an amazing option for gifting on Christmas itself. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, start by taking 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and add about 1/3 cup of melted butter to this. Now beat them really well using a beater. Till the time the sugar and butter are beaten really well, they should be like in a creamy consistency. Then add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to this and beat the mixture again. Then add about 1 cup of maida to this mixture and beat it a little bit using the beater. We have to just make sure that we have to just form a nice mixture out of this. We do not have to beat it and go too overboard. We have to just mix it very slightly, and later on we'll mix it using a spatula or our hands. Now add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then add about 1/8 cup of milk, and then using a spatula give this mixture a nice mix. Remember not to go too overboard with the milk, else the dough will be extremely soft. Here I'm using my hands to knead the dough. We do not really have to knead it, we have to just bring all the ingredients together to form a nice soft dough. Finally, add lots and lots of chocolate chips to this dough and give it a nice mix again. Then layer the baking tray with a foil paper and a butter paper. We are doing this so that our cookies don't get burned from the bottom, and hence this tip is really important while you're baking any sorts of cookies. Preheat the oven for 5 to 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven is on preheat, let's prepare the cookies. Make small balls out of the dough that we prepared. Flatten them a bit and put them on the baking tray. Make sure to have sufficient distance between the cookies, because as the cookies bake, they enlarge in size and spread. So we want to give them that space. Now place the baking tray inside the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 8 minutes. You will need to check the cookies after 5 minutes. You can bake it more if you want your cookies crisp, or you can bake it just for about 5 minutes to 6 minutes if you want your cookies to be soft. The temperature settings vary from every oven to oven, so make sure you keep a good eye on your cookies. After about 8 minutes, I have taken out my cookies out of the oven, and now I'm just placing them on a cooling tray so that they cool down a bit, and then they are almost ready to be eaten. Ta-da! Try these homemade cookies yourself and enjoy them this Christmas. So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. This recipe is a mass popular favorite and almost everyone is gonna enjoy it to the core. So do not forget to prepare this one at your home and serve it to your guests, family and friends and have a great time. Also, do let me know in the comments down below of how this recipe turned out for you. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas once again. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.